Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off these sound effects and like this movement click. Every time you move on your PlayStation, you hear this little beep or click. Now to turn this off, it's really easy. Let's go up to settings and then scroll on down and go on down to where it says sound. Select this. Then go to audio output, go to the right, and then go on down under this list. Then go to sound effect. Turn this off. Now when I move, the little click or the beep is completely gone. So just make sure this is turned off right here and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.